What if I just give up? What about that? Hey guys, it's Keziah. Thanks for joining me on my channel. Time to fix this mess. I have not done my roots with lightener since December, before I went on a trip, before lockdown, before the world became a nightmare. So it's time to upgrade my look, and this faded out purple became pink nightmare needs to go. There's nothing like sectioning hair that hasn't been combed properly. It is not fun, so just make sure it's all combed through before you start. So I've naturally got quite frizzy hair. All those curls will get you. Alright, let's section this right down. Mirror behind me is everything right now. Sectioning is tons of fun. Okay, let me show you the back. Now, since I often let my hair grow out, maybe not this much, but I'll get pretty dark roots. So I like having my bangs my natural hair color so that it blends out really nice when it's growing out. So even though I had roots that were this ridiculous, it didn't look that bad. Plus, like the hair in the front of my face that kind of frames it is definitely a lot thinner and more prone to breakage, so I just try to avoid bleaching this stuff in the front as much as I can. I like to use Vaseline on the areas that I don't want bleached, and then I do it around the edges as well just to protect my skin a bit, just because the bleach is pretty harsh. It's not meant to be on your skin for long. It's time to mix some bleach. So this video wasn't meant to be as much of a comedy as it's turning out to be, because I'm going full on kitchen gloves because I don't want bleach hands. I'm going to avoid my roots. That is the front done. Now we wait. So that's all applied all the way to the root now. And we much just sitting and chilling until it's all complete. So this is our base, and now we're gonna get our rainbow on. So I'm gonna do two different styles. Look back here. I'm going to do an ombre purple to pink, and then this will be our rainbow up front, the money. So we're gonna start with the back and get that done with. So I have made this contraption to try to do the rainbow parts now. Starting to come together. And the all important wipe down so that we're not smearing color. So I've got this side now done in the rainbow pattern. Holy cow, is it taking a long time. I figured you can't really see this side, so anyways. Alrighty, I took a very long break and I think I am good now. I f***ed out my back a little bit, so I definitely needed that break. Green and blue, oh my god. What if I just give up? What about that? I'm tired of doing this. That's another row done. Since I'm a huge fan of purple and I like the way this ombre into the pink is looking, I think I'm gonna do it even with the rainbow colors here. So I will do an orange row, and then I think this top area is just gonna go pink and purple. We're just gonna stick with the ombre that I did at the back. I think it'll look good, but it's a total mystery at this point. Always make sure you're completely saturated. You don't want to have little blonde bits coming through. Although I have a feeling I will have some of those because I've never done hair like this before. Part of me is like, it, blonde streak, let's just leave it. And I've got one section left and I'm thinking that. So just imagine how difficult this shit is. It is not a joke, and holy crap, what a mistake I made starting at 9 p.m. This is an all-day job. Thank you so much for sticking with me throughout this insanely long process. I'm very, very excited to see the outcome, and I bet you are too. camera battery died. Luckily I have another, but I didn't notice in time. I finished that last one. Unbelievably, it's in here somewhere. This is the ombre bit that we brought on top. There's a lot happening in these foils. This one's like dry and and the foil fell out, so I just kind of left it. I mean, there's actually a couple of things on this side. I took a really long break, okay? This is so much work. I don't know if I recommend it, but I'm stoked that it's done. No matter what, it's over. And if it looks terrible, then oh well. And now we wait.
So you'll notice I did an ombre at the bottom of purple and pink, followed by slices of color with the horizontal stripes of the rainbow, and then a final small piece with more of the purple and pink ombre to kind of hide the beginning of that rainbow a little bit. And then when the hair is up, I've got a little rainbow on each side, and it's pretty simple at the bottom and the top, so it doesn't look too crazy. Honestly, it's just a whole lot of hair twirls from here because I'm very excited with this hair and I've never had horizontal colors like this before. It's definitely a little darker than my ideal, so it's going to fade into the best colors for sure.
I didn't have my camera available when I was rinsing my hair out, so I grabbed my cell phone and did a little video on how to rinse it all out without letting the colors bleed, so click. And you can see that video as well if you want to make sure your colors don't bleed when you're rinsing them out. It's actually really, really simple. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, make sure you let me know what you think of the hair. Was it worth watching the whole video?